Hi everyone, today I will going to show you how to install a cargo liner for 2022 Chevy Trailblazer LT model. First, I just want to show you what particular cargo liner are we going to install. It's a integrated cargo liner, color jet black, designed especially for 2022 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT. Today I received my cargo liner from the nearest Chevrolet dealership, and now I will going to open it and show you what's inside the box. We have the instruction manual and putting some pins to hold the liner on the back of your seat. Actual liner, I think this will go to the floor of the cargo, and this part will go to the back of your seat. Okay, today is a good weather to install our cargo liner, and here's our car. First, we need to open our tailgate. Okay, for easy installation, first we have to fold our back seat flat. Okay, then we'll grab our cargo liner and put it on the back of the car. Now the liner was in place. The next thing to do is to put hole on each corner and put the plug. Okay, I got my tools. Now we have to make the hole. Grab some plug, insert it, okay. Now that we insert it, push it all the way. That's it. Just do the same thing for all the remaining hole. Okay, now I'm done. I put all the plug. Now we will check how it will look once we push the chair up. Okay guys, this is how it looks when you pull your seat back up. And that's it. I hope you like this video and thank you.